Welcome back to our channel, your ultimate guide to financial freedom. Today, we're diving into the digital goldmine of 2023, sharing top-tier strategies to make money online. If you're new here, be sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all our future videos. Let's kick off with freelancing. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer have revolutionized the gig economy, connecting skilled professionals with clients globally. Take Sarah, a graphic designer who's making a steady income by designing logos and banners for startups. And then there's John, a coder who's been creating custom software for businesses, and Mary, a freelance writer who crafts compelling articles and blog posts. There's no limit to what you can achieve with your skills. Next, let's talk about affiliate marketing. You partner with brands and promote their products. Every purchase via your unique link earns you a commission. Think of Anna, who has a successful lifestyle blog and earns by promoting her favorite skincare products through affiliate links. Or consider Mark, who uses his tech YouTube channel to recommend gadgets and earns a neat sum through affiliate marketing. And there's also Sam, a fitness enthusiast who promotes fitness equipment and supplements through his social media. "2023 is the year of online learning. Do you have expertise in a field? You can monetize it by creating online courses or tutoring. James, a native Spanish speaker, makes a significant income by teaching Spanish on platforms like Udemy. Then there's Lisa, a data scientist who created a comprehensive course on Python programming and sells it on Coursera. And let's not forget about Mike, an accomplished guitarist who teaches people how to play the guitar on his own website. Cryptocurrency continues to be a major player in online income. Although risky, informed investing in cryptocurrencies can be profitable. Take the case of Ethan, who invested early in Bitcoin and Ethereum and made a substantial return in 2023. Or Zoe, who carefully trades small-cap altcoins to maximize her profits. And there's also Olivia, who uses her knowledge of blockchain technology to provide consulting services to businesses. Next, let's explore dropshipping. Create an online store, sell products directly from suppliers, and earn a profit. People like Mike have set up successful online stores selling hiking gear, while Emily curates and sells unique home decor items from various suppliers on her online store. And then there's Lucas, who's turned his passion for fitness into a profitable business selling home workout equipment. Let's shift gears to content creation. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or even personal blogs and podcasts have proven to be gold mines for creative individuals. Take Jenna, for instance, who creates vlogs about her travels and earns through ad revenue and sponsorships. Or think about David, whose tech podcast has gained massive popularity and earns through listener donations on Patreon. And then there's Kim, a fitness instructor who's made her mark on YouTube with workout videos. In our digital age, social media management has become a rewarding avenue. Businesses are constantly in need of experts who can handle their social media strategies. People like Laura, a social media manager, help companies build an engaging online presence, creating posts that get likes and shares, which translate to more customer engagement and increased revenue. And there's also Carlos, who specializes in Instagram marketing, helping brands grow their followers and boost their engagement. Next, consider selling digital products. From ebooks to digital art, online courses, or even software, there's a huge demand for digital goods. Look at Tom, an expert in digital marketing who sells his own series of ebooks. Or Ashley, an illustrator selling her digital artwork on Etsy. And don't forget Brian, a developer who sells his own mobile game apps on app stores. Stock photography is another way to profit from your skills. High-quality, unique images are in demand for businesses, bloggers, and advertisers. Photographers like Chris sell their stunning images to stock photo sites like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock, creating a stream of passive income. And there's Lucy, a food photographer whose images are a hit on stock photo sites and food blogs. Finally, let's look at online coaching. If you're an expert in a certain field, offering one-on-one coaching sessions over Zoom or Skype can be highly rewarding. Consider Emma, a wellness coach who offers personalized online sessions to clients worldwide. Or Alex, a business coach helping startups strategize and grow. And let's not forget Sophia, a career coach helping individuals navigate their career paths and achieve their professional goals. As we conclude, remember, your earning potential in 2023's digital landscape is only limited by your creativity and determination. Explore these avenues, find your niche, and start building your online income. And don't forget, if this video brought you value, hit that like button, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more. Until next time, stay motivated and keep hustling.